Right now, our Music Sentiment API is showing a sentiment score of 0, despite a notable momentum increase of plus 0.29 over the past 24 hours. This combination is unusual. Typically, you'd expect sentiment to shift alongside momentum. What this means for you is that while the momentum is picking up, the overall sentiment remains neutral. You can leverage this insight to identify emerging trends that might not yet be reflected in public perception. For instance, if you're building a recommendation engine, this could help you surface tracks that are gaining traction, but haven't yet caught the audience's emotional response. To explore this further, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's start building smarter applications with music sentiment data.